Okay, Diego Agustalcha, hello and welcome. I'm just going to quickly do a tutorial on how to use Focloir.ie. It's a very simple site to use. It's an online dictionary and it's very helpful. So just in Google, if you just go to Focloir.ie, and then you have the English-Irish variation. If you want to go up here, you can select looking up words Oscuelga instead in Irish. So I'll just show you how it works. This is great because not only does it give you the definition of the word, but it also shows you how to pronounce a new word. So this will really help when you're creating your audio dictionary. So let us just take a word, for example. We will say pencil. So you can just type in pencil. And here we have the various ones. So we'll go down to the first one there, Pion Louis. So, of course, reading that, it might be difficult to know how to pronounce it. So here we have the speaker. And then we have CMU. So if you hover over, you'll see it says it starts for Connacht dialect, Munster pronunciation, and Ulster pronunciation. So I myself usually go with Connacht. It's generally the most straightforward one. And that's the dialect I learnt myself. So if you just click that, you hear exactly how to pronounce it. Pion Louis. So that is basically exactly how to use the site. So Focloir.ie, search, and then down here. And here you have the definition. So that will be very useful when you're looking up your nouns and to add to your audio dictionary because it gives the pronunciation. Thank you.